Hello, today we're going to learn words that begin with letter D. We will look at objects that begin with letter D. We will sound out letters, put the sounds together, read the words, and then we will read a short story and write something about that story. Isn't that exciting? All right, let's begin with these objects, okay? Look at this. What is this? Have you seen one like this? This is a duck. Duck begins with letter D. How do you spell duck? Let's write it down. D U C K. Duck. Duck. Your turn to read. Let me hear. Very good. All right. What is this? It barks. A dog. Dog begins with letter D. How do you spell dog? Let's write it down. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Your turn to say it. Ready? Good job. What is this? This was like long time ago. We don't have them now. It's a dinosaur. How do you spell dinosaur? Let's write it down. All right, D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Your turn to read. Dinosaur. Very good. Have you seen one like this before? What is this? This is a game. People play with them. It's called domino. How do you spell domino? Let's write it down. D-O-M-I-N-O. Domino. Domino. Your turn to read. Good job. Good job. Wait till you see this. I love this. I eat him for breakfast. What is this? A donut. Donut. How do you spell donut? Let's write it down. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Donut. Your turn to read. Donut. Very good job. All right, listen carefully as I read them aloud, okay? Then it will be your turn to read, okay? Your turn to read, and I will listen. My turn to read these words. Duck, dog, dinosaur, domino, donut. Your turn to read these words, okay? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Good job. High five. Very good. All right, now let's read a book. Okay? Something that begins with letter D. And it's called Dinner Time. Dinner begins with letter D. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. What do you see? These are the things that you need for dinner. Let's find out what these are. Okay? Let's turn to the next page. This is the title page. This is a cover page. And then this is the title page. Okay? And it tells you who the author is. All right? Let's turn to the next page. This is a father and a daughter. And they're telling you this is a plate. This is a plate. Do you see the plate? That's a plate. All right. They're telling you that this is a fork. Do you see the fork? That's a fork. You use it to lift food into your mouth. All right. All right. They're telling you that this is a spoon. There's the spoon. You put food so that you can put it in your mouth. It's a spoon. All right. This is a napkin. This is a napkin so that you can wipe your mouth. This is a glass. She's holding a glass. You can put water in there or juice or milk so that you can drink it. This is a bowl. That is a bowl right here. She's holding a bowl. You can put soup in there. And guess what? This is dinner time. This is dinner time. Guess what she's getting? That's a whole lot of food. And it's delicious. All right? All right, guess what? That's the end of our story. And it's your turn to read while I listen. Are you ready? Good job. Okay, let's start from the title page. You turn. Very good. You turn. This is a plate. You turn. This is a fork. You turn. This is a spoon. You turn. This is a napkin. Good job. All right. I'm trying to put in the next page. All right. Your turn to read. This is a glass. Very good. You turn. This is a bowl. You turn to read. This is dinner time. Very good. And that was the end of that book. Did you like the story? That was good. High five. Great reading with me. Now, let's see if you can write something that you will find in your kitchen that you can use for dinner time. Let's see. I'll give you 1 minute to think and write about it. All right. What did you write about? Let me hear. Very good. All right. Now let me write something, okay? What can I tell you? I will write something about these things. But what are these things on? They are on the table. You need a table. Or maybe you need a placemat, right? But I will write that this is a table right here. All right. This, let me write it down. This is a table. Yeah. Make the A looks like A. Let's make it better. There. Now that looks like an A. Very good. All right, let's read this again. This is a table. Do you know what's missing? It begins with capital letter. It makes sense, but it's missing something. What is missing? A period. Good job. All right, it's your turn to read. That's right. This is a table. You see these plates and spoons and bowl and fork and glass? They are on the table and the napkin too. All right? Wasn't that a good lesson? High five for that. Good listening. Next time we're going to talk about letter F. Okay? Good job. Very good. I'll see you next time. All right? Bye-bye.